Have you ever looked at your backyard and felt nothing? Not disappointment, just quiet resignation, as if beauty belongs only to grand estates or picture-perfect cottages. But what if the magic isn't in the size, but in the silence between the flowers? Welcome to Relax Gardens. Here, we don't chase trends. We uncover the quiet truths that turn ordinary ground into places where time slows. In this video, you won't just see gardens, you'll feel their rhythm, a rhythm that's been waiting in your own space all along. Your garden doesn't need to impress anyone. It only needs to hold you when the world feels too loud. Beauty isn't perfection, it's presence, and yours is already there, waiting beneath the noise. If this space brought you a moment of calm, consider subscribing, not for more content, but for more quiet. Like, share, or simply return whenever you need to remember you belong here.